Hey knowledge lovers, today we're exploring the best health informatics courses on Coursera. Whether you want to work with electronic health records, support clinical teams, or understand how AI is reshaping care. The links to access the courses will be in the video description. Let's dive in. 1. Health Informatics, Johns Hopkins University. This program introduces the core building blocks of informatics in clinical settings. How health data is captured in electronic health records, EHRs. The role of interoperability standards like HL7/FIRI, and the practical realities of clinical workflows. You'll examine data quality, privacy and security, including HIPAA concepts, and the logic behind clinical decision support, so you can see how technology actually improves safety and outcomes. Expect case-based activities that map data elements across systems and trace a patient record from registration to discharge. You'll also learn the language of terminologies, ICD, LOINC, SNOMED CT, and explore analytics basics that turn raw clinical data into dashboards and quality measures leaders can act on. 2. Medical Billing and Coding Fundamentals, Med-Certs. Designed as an entry ramp into revenue cycle roles, this specialization covers medical terminology, basic anatomy, and the insurance vocabulary you'll encounter daily. You'll walk through the phases of the revenue cycle: eligibility, charge capture, claim submission, payment posting, and follow-up, so you understand how accurate documentation and clean data prevent denials. Professionalism and communication are woven throughout, preparing you to interact with patients, providers, and payers. Note that this series delivers foundational knowledge. If your goal is a national certification exam, you'll need additional approved training. As a first step or skills refresher, it's clear, practical, and workplace-oriented. 3. AI in Healthcare, Stanford University. Stanford series explains how machine learning can support clinical care without overpromising. You'll study common AI workflows, problem definition, data curation, model selection, validation, and monitoring, and where they fit across imaging, EHR data, triage, and population health. Ethics, bias, and safety get serious attention, so you learn how to evaluate models responsibly. Through case studies and guided assignments, you'll analyze when AI adds value, how to measure impact, and what good evidence looks like before deployment. The capstone-style work helps you scope an AI use case end-to-end, connecting technical steps to clinical needs and stakeholder buy-in. I pause here to mention that if you want to take all these courses, you don't need to pay for them one by one. Just by purchasing the Coursera Plus subscription, you will have access to all these courses and more than 7,000. We will leave you the link in the video description at the best price. Let's continue. 4. Healthcare IT Support, Johns Hopkins University. If you want to be the bridge between clinicians and technology, this course focuses on support fundamentals in a regulated environment. You'll cover help desk workflows, ticket triage, asset management, and change control alongside healthcare-specific topics like EHR configuration, user provisioning, and privacy security practices. Hands-on exercises mirror real life, walking through a typical outage, documenting resolution steps, and communicating with non-technical users under time pressure. By the finish, you'll understand hospital IT ecosystems well enough to support frontline teams and keep systems reliable. 5. Pharmacy Technician, Med-Certs. This series introduces core pharmacy operations, dosage forms and routes, prescription processing, calculations, inventory, and medication safety. You'll also learn how insurance adjudication and prior authorization work behind the scenes, knowledge that pairs well with revenue cycle or informatics roles. Simulated scenarios walk through labeling, dispensing checks, and patient communication. As with other Med-Certs pathways, this specialization provides foundational education. Pursuing national certification typically requires additional formal steps. For career explorers or upskillers, it's a structured, confidence-building start. All of these courses can be taken without having to pay for each one, simply by acquiring the Coursera Plus subscription that offers more than 7,000 courses by only paying a monthly or annual fee. The link with the best price will be in the video description. Until next time, knowledge lovers.